This video is about position control of a hydraulic cylinder. And so you can see we're doing quite well as we compare the commanded motion with response to the system with both curves falling on top of each other. Our mechanics is pretty straightforward. It's merely a mass of 102 kilograms. Our controller is kind of the idea that we brought up in several videos back, that position control and flow control are kind of the same thing. And by basically comparing our position feedback with what we want to occur, we create a signal, an error signal, which will be driven to zero by the PID by setting the appropriate position of the spool to control the flow through the four-way valve. It's interesting to look at pressure, and we'll see it's a bit noisy. Make this a little bigger. Okay, and I'm going to show that there are alternatives to how you're going to control it. Move this one in. And let's run it from the scope. See, very nice smooth calculation of those pressures that will drive the movement as we need it to move. The difference is a little bit more, it's a sophisticated controller. You'll see that there are two feedback loops, each being ultimately operated upon with PIDs. What we're doing up here is we're doing what we've already been doing, which is comparing position feedback with command. That's going to give a component of the force we need, but you also see a component that I believe will make sense, and that's that we're taking the acceleration, multiplying it by the mass, and we're basically adding those two to set a command on the force, and then measuring force in the shaft. We will calculate a second error signal and operate on that with the PID set the spool position. We come back up here. We'll see that we did really quite well with this too. Thanks for watching.